Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Come around to the back here. 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLA 250 badging. And a power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Another look at the sunroof. Both driver and passenger seats have memory seats. You can see the driver seat controls here. Driver door controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is currently at 24,578, and we do have a push-button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, as well as a backup camera. Climate control. Center console. And shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.